Good morning, T-Birds. Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast in a rice cooker.
Okay.
Here's some of the ingredients you'll need. Some cheese, some ham, green onions if you want, eggs, and some spinach. Now, first things first, you want to cut your green onions. If you don't know how to use a knife, look up a video. Now once you're finished with that, you want to grab your hand and start chopping.
Yeah, boy.
After your ham and green onions are all chopped up, you want to start to get your cheese.
No.
Excuse me, sorry. And finally, you want to open your spinach. Put it on that plate. Now that everything's chopped up, you can start to crack your eggs. Go there. Now once that's done, you can start to put some oil in the rice cooker. Get your eggs in there.
No.
Once the eggs in there, you gotta let it cook for about 10 minutes or so. All right, once that's starting to cook a little bit, you can start to throw your stuff in there. Oh, that smells about done. Now after all that's done, you have a beautiful omelet.
No.
Let's take a bite. Now that's pretty good. I'm gonna have to take another one. That was tasty. Hopefully you learned something new today. Showing you how to make breakfast in a rice cooker. You could also add rice to it if you want. Anything actually. That was just the way I would like to do it. Just be creative and always. Cheese. What are you doing? Was it?
No. After.
No, you're supposed to let it cook.
No, I think you should mix it.
No, you're gonna cook. It'll just be scrambled eggs at that point.
No. No.
It's an omelet.
Okay, never mind.
That's what happens when you don't want to use a rice cooker. Now once that's done, you can... Okay. Anyways.